Welcome to this complete Ponta Delgada Portugal guide. Nestled on the island of São Miguel in the Azores archipelago, Ponta Delgada is a city that effortlessly marries history with natural beauty. Its cobblestone streets whisper tales of a vibrant past, while the lush landscapes echo with the hum of life. Ponta Delgada is a city that's as rich in culture as it is in beauty. Here, age-old traditions blend seamlessly with a modern, vibrant life, creating a unique tapestry that's as captivating as it is diverse. From its historic city gates to its stunning lava tubes, every corner of Ponta Delgada holds a story waiting to be told. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just looking for a unique cultural experience, Ponta Delgada is a destination that offers something for everyone. So without further ado, let's dive into the top things to do in Ponta Delgada. First on our list is the Lago das Sete Cidades. This is no ordinary water body, my friends. This twin lake split by a narrow strait is a sight to behold, nestled amidst the verdant greenery of Ponta Delgada. One half gleams with a blue hue, reflecting the sky above, while the other is cloaked in a mesmerizing green, mirroring the surrounding foliage. The legend associated with this lake is as captivating as its beauty. It's said that a blue-eyed princess and a green-eyed shepherd fell in love here, only to be separated, their tears forming these two lakes. But it's not all about gazing at the scenery. The area is ripe for exploration. Fancy a hike? The trails here are stunning, or perhaps a picnic amidst nature. The spots are aplenty. And for those with a keen eye for our feathered friends, the bird-watching opportunities are abundant. This place is a treat for nature lovers and definitely a must-visit. Next, immerse yourself in the therapeutic waters of Furnas Hot Springs, Mother Nature's own spa. These hot springs are a product of the volcanic activity bubbling beneath the surface. The geothermal heat warms up the water, creating a soothing bath that's open round the clock. This isn't just your average hot tub soak, oh no. These waters are rich in minerals thanks to the volcanic soil. This mineral cocktail can work wonders on your skin, detoxifying your body and leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Many a traveler has sung praises of the rejuvenating powers of these springs. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Imagine soaking in the warmth, your stresses melting away as the heat seeps into your muscles, the steam rising around you in the cool, crisp air. It's an experience that engages all your senses. A dip in these hot springs is sure to rejuvenate you. From natural wonders, let's move to historical and agricultural attractions. We find ourselves now at the iconic Portas da Cidade, or the city gates, a three-arched gate that stands as a symbol of Ponta Delgada's rich past. Built in the 18th century, these gates hold a significance that transcends their architectural beauty. They were the city's welcoming arms to those arriving by sea, a testament to the island's maritime history. As you walk through these gates, you're stepping into centuries of stories of arrivals and departures, of joyous welcomes and heartfelt goodbyes. Now let's switch gears and delve into the unique agricultural practices of the region. Welcome to the pineapple greenhouses, or the plantacao de ananases. Unlike your average pineapple farm, these greenhouses cultivate pineapples in a process that is as intricate as it is unusual. The Azores archipelago is known for its pineapples, but these aren't your ordinary tropical fruits. These pineapples are grown indoors in specially designed greenhouses that replicate a tropical climate. The cultivation process is slow and meticulous, spanning over 2 years from planting to harvesting. Each pineapple plant is nurtured to produce a single fruit, resulting in pineapples that are small, sweet, and incredibly flavorful. But it's not just about the fruit. The greenhouses themselves are a sight to behold. Picture rows and rows of lush green plants, each cradling a single pineapple. It's an oasis of green in a glass and metal world. And the best part, you can take a guided tour of these greenhouses, learning about the unique cultivation process and even tasting the fruits of their labor. A visit to the pineapple greenhouses is, without a doubt, a sweet addition to any trip to Ponta Delgada. So there you have it, the Portas da Cidade and the pineapple greenhouses. Two vastly different attractions, yet both integral parts of Ponta Delgada's identity. Both these places offer a glimpse into the rich history and unique agricultural practices of Ponta Delgada. Now let's explore some underground wonders and local flavors. In the heart of São Miguel Island lies the Gruta do Carva, an enchanting labyrinth of volcanic origin. It's the longest lava tube on the island, stretching over 2.5 kilometers. A journey into Gruta do Carva is like stepping into a time machine, where each nook and cranny tells a tale of the island's volcanic history. As you wander through the complex network of tunnels, you can't help but marvel at the intricate details etched into the walls by molten lava thousands of years ago. It's a reminder of the raw power of nature and the beauty that can emerge from it. But remember, it's not just the length of the lava tube that's impressive, it's the sense of mystery and awe that fills you as you traverse this subterranean landscape. The air is cool and damp, the silence profound, punctuated only by the sound of your own footsteps echoing off the walls. It's a place where time seems to stand still and the outside world feels a million miles away. After emerging from the depths of Gruta do Carvão, it's time to indulge in some local flavors at Mercado da Graa. This vibrant marketplace is a treasure trove of Azorean delights. As you meander through the bustling aisles, you'll find an array of local produce, from the sweetest pineapples to the juiciest tomatoes, all grown with love on this fertile island. The seafood section is a spectacle in itself. Freshly caught fish, plump mussels and succulent prawns glisten under the market lights, promising a feast for the senses. And let's not forget the unique Azorean products, like the locally made cheeses, wines and pastries, which are sure to entice even the most discerning foodie. Both Gruta do Carvão and Mercado da Graa offer a rich tapestry of experiences. From the majestic underworld of the lava tube to the bustling marketplace brimming with local delicacies, they encapsulate the spirit of São Miguel Island. Both these places offer unique experiences that you won't find anywhere else. Finally, let's hit the beach and take in some panoramic views. Our first stop in this scene is the vibrant Praia das Milícias. This popular beach nestled in the heart of Ponta Delgada is quite the spectacle. Its shores, kissed by the Atlantic, are a unique, dramatic black, a stark contrast to the typical golden sands you might be used to. This is due to the volcanic origin of the Azores, a detail that adds a touch of mystery and intrigue to an otherwise relaxing beach day. Praia das Milícias isn't just for sunbathing, though. It's also a hotspot for water sports enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned surfer chasing the perfect wave, a kayaking aficionado, or you simply enjoy a good swim, there's something for everyone here. And let's not forget the local cafes and restaurants lining the beach, ready to serve you the freshest seafood and local delicacies after a day of fun in the sun. From the beach, we transition to a place of peace and serenity, Ermida de Nossa Senhora da Paz. Perched on a hilltop, this beautiful chapel is a testament to Portugal's rich history and deep-rooted faith. But it's not just a place of worship. The chapel also offers panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Just imagine standing at the top, the wind gently tousling your hair as you take in the expansive view of the azure Atlantic, the bustling town below, and the lush green hills surrounding it. In the distance, you might even catch a glimpse of the majestic Mount Pico, Portugal's tallest peak. Visiting Ermida de Nossa Senhora da Paz is more than just a sightseeing trip. It's a moment of introspection, a chance to marvel at the beauty of nature and the tranquility it brings. So, whether you're a beach bum, a history buff, a nature lover, or just a traveler seeking new experiences, Praia das Milícias and Ermida de Nossa Senhora da Paz have something to offer. These places offer a perfect blend of relaxation and awe-inspiring views. So, there you have it, 8 fantastic things to do in Ponta Delgada. We've journeyed from the mystical beauty of Lago das Sete Cidades to the soothing warmth of Furnas hot springs. We've marveled at the historic charm of Portas da Cidade and savored the sweet aroma of the pineapple greenhouses. The adventure didn't stop there, as we descended into the fascinating Gruta do Carvão lava tubes and mingled with locals at Mercado da Graa. Our hearts were warmed by the sun-kissed sands of Praia das Milícias, and our spirits lifted by the serene Ermida de Nossa Senhora da Paz. Each one of these experiences is a testament to the unique and varied charm that Ponta Delgada holds. No two visits to this vibrant city are ever the same, each offering a new and exciting adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Ponta Delgada. We hope you've been inspired to visit and experience all that this vibrant city has to offer.